Hello everyone, welcome to English by Mahesh. Are you looking to improve your spoken English with simple and easy sentences? Then you are in the right place. In this video, we will learn 50 daily use English sentences with pictures. These sentences will help you in daily conversation. Why learn with pictures? Learning with pictures help you remember words faster and makes English fun and easy. So stay with me till the end. Practice speaking and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's begin. We are reading. Reading helps us learn new things and expand our imagination. Why are you crying? He is crying. Maybe he lost his tie. Cat on the chair. Here is a cute little cat sitting on the chair. Have you ever seen a cat sit like this? Cat is drinking milk. This cat is drinking milk. Cats love milk. But did you know that too much milk is not good for them? They need water too. The cow is eating the grass. This is a cow happily eating grass. Cows help us by giving us milk. Talking on the phone. This man is talking on the phone. Maybe he is discussing something important. Sitting in the park. Look at this woman sitting in the park. She looks like relaxed and happy. Parks are great place to enjoy fresh air and nature. Get out. This person is stepping out of a door. Maybe he is going on an adventure. Boy riding a bicycle. This boy is riding his bicycle. Cycling is a great way to stay fit and have fun. Girl playing with a dog. This girl is playing with her dog. Pets are our best friends. A boy eating ice cream. This boy is enjoying ice cream. What's your favorite flavor? A mother cooking food. This mother is cooking delicious food. Cooking is great way to show love. A child sleeping in bed. This little child is sleeping peacefully. A girl drawing a picture. This girl is drawing a beautiful picture. Art is a great way to express creativity. A father driving a car. This father is driving his family on a road trip or fun. A farmer working in the field. This farmer is working hard in the field. Farmers grow food for us. A teacher teaching students. This teacher is explaining a lesson to students. Learning is important for success. A child flying a kite. This child is flying a colorful kite. Kite flying is a joyful activity. A cat sleeping on the sofa. This cat is sleeping comfortably on the sofa. Children playing in the playground. These children are playing in the playground. Playing helps us stay active. A doctor checking a patient. This doctor is checking a patient. Doctors help us stay healthy. A person drinking coffee. This person is enjoying a cup of coffee. Coffee gives energy in the morning. A train moving on the tracks. This train is moving fast on the tracks. Trains help us travel long distance. A person reading a newspaper. This man is reading a newspaper. Reading news keeps us informed. A dog barking at a stranger. This dog is barking at a stranger. Dogs protect our homes. A woman watering plants. This woman is watering her plants. Plants make our home beautiful and fresh. A boy brushing his teeth. This boy is brushing his teeth. Brushing twice a day keeps our teeth healthy. A person eating breakfast. This person is having a healthy breakfast. A good breakfast gives energy for the day. A girl combing her hair. This girl is combing her hair neatly. Taking care of our hair keeps us looking fresh. A person washing hands. Washing hands help us stay clean and healthy. Do you wash your hands before eating? A man jogging in the park. This man is jogging in the park. Running is great exercise for the health body. A child playing football. This child is playing football with friends. Playing sports keeps us active and strong. A girl picking flowers. This girl is picking beautiful flowers from the garden. Flowers make nature colorful. A boy flying a paper aeroplane. This boy is flying a paper aeroplane. Paper aeroplane are fun to make and fly. A couple riding a bicycle together. This couple is riding a bicycles together. Cycling is a fun and healthy activity. A woman shopping in a supermarket. This woman is buying fresh vegetables from the supermarket. Eating healthy food is important. A family eating together. This family is enjoying a meal together. Eating together makes family bonds stronger. A girl drinking juice. This girl is drinking a glass of fresh juice. Juices are tasty and healthy. A man ordering food in restaurant. This man is ordering a food in a restaurant. Eating out can be a fun experience. A man waiting for a bus. This man is waiting for a bus at the stop. Public transport helps us travel easily. An aeroplane flying in the sky. This aeroplane is flying high in the sky. Planes help us travel to faraway places. A person crossing the road. This person is carefully crossing the road. Always look both ways before crossing. A boy writing in his notebook. This boy is writing in his notebook. Writing helps us remember things better. A girl reading a storybook. This girl is reading a storybook. Stories take us to magical world. A teacher writing on the blackboard. This teacher is explaining a lesson on the blackboard. Learning is fun. Students raising hands in class. These students are raising their hands to answer a question. Participation makes learning better. A doctor wearing a mask. This doctor is wearing a mask. Stay safe. Doctors help us stay healthy. A child wearing a helmet while cycling. This child is wearing a helmet while riding a bicycle. Safety always comes first. A girl blowing birthday candles. This girl is blowing out birthday candles. Birthdays are a special celebration. A family watching TV together. This family is watching TV together. Spending time with family is always special. Thank you.